Hello, good morning. Today I want to read you a good story. The Bird and the Bumblebee. It is a very hot day. The sun is shining brightly. There are no clouds in the sky. Bumblebee stops by a stream for a drink. Suddenly, she slips and falls into the water. She tries hard to get out of the water, but she cannot. Help! Help! Cries Bubble. Just then, Brittany Bird flies past. She sees Bubble in the water. Quickly, she plucks a leaf from a tree and drops it into the stream. Climb onto the leaf, she yells to Bubble. Bubble climbs onto the leaf. She is safe. Oh, thank you, Bert. Thank you, says Bubble in a soft voice. I shall never forget your kindness to me. One day, a hunter comes to the forest. He sees Brittany Bird in a tree. What a nice fat bird, he thinks to himself. I will make a good soup. The hunter leaves his gun and aims. He does not see the little bumblebee flying toward him. Brittany does not know the hunter is there. Suddenly, the hunter screams loudly. Oh, it's hurt! Oh no! He drops his gun. Bumblebee has stung him. Brittany hears the hunter's screams and flies away. Thank you for saving my life, she says to Bubble. Now, what a lesson from this story, a lesson to learn from this story. We should help others in a trouble. One day, they will help us. Okay, thank you.